Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this simple DIY recipe. This is lavender and oatmeal soap, good for those who have sensitive skin, and every other skin can use it. So I'm going to cut the soaps. You need every glycerin soap of your choice. You can get this one in the store because this one is pears. So get any glycerin soap that you have that is unscented. That is best to use, not scented, please. Then cut them, and then, or you can also buy a mild scented one, and then cut them in bites and in cubes. Put them in a bowl. So we are going to melt it down. Now we're going to put it in a double boiler for it to melt down. So you are cooking them. It's like you're cooking them. Make sure there's no water going inside the soup. Make sure the water is little, and when it's done, bring it out from the stove, and then start putting all the ingredients. This is lavender buds, and then I'm going to add the organic oatmeal. I did not blend them. You can also blend yours. You can also grind it to powder, and then after that you want to mix and put them in a mold. So if you don't have a mold, you can use small plastic plates, a small plastic plate that you can use. So when it's solidified, then you bring it out. Now you see, after 1 hour it's solidified. Some can still last more. It can last more than 1 hour. So mine, we are in a cold area, so it lasted within 30 minutes. It's already solidified, and bring it out of the mold and leave it for 1 week before you can use. So guys, you have to use this soap after 2 or 3 weeks. You can use it after 1 week. So before then, before you start using them, you want to allow it to uh cure for like 1 week. After 1 week, it is ready to be used. So I prefer you using it after 2 weeks. So you put them in this plastic wrap them so that it can be clean. You keep it nice and clean. You just cover it and make sure they are all secured, because as long as it's glycerin soap needs to be covered before it can cure. It's not that it wouldn't cure when you don't cover it. It's best to protect it with the plastic bag so that it doesn't melt. But this particular pear soap will not melt. But if you are using the ordinary melt and pour soap, you will notice it will melt and it will look bad. So after then, you keep it and it's ready to go. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.